Experiencing a not registered on network error on your Walmart Family Mobile phone can be frustrating. Walmart Family Mobile is a prepaid carrier that uses T-Mobile's network. This error means your phone isn't properly connected. First, let's diagnose it. The not registered on network error usually arises because your phone's SIM card isn't authenticating correctly with T-Mobile's systems. This could be due to initial SIM activation issues, temporary network outages affecting T-Mobile and thus WFM, compatibility problems with older devices, or simply being in an area with poor coverage. The most common solution is manual network selection, which we will cover in the next part, but let's understand a bit more about why this is happening. Also understand that since WFM relies on T-Mobile's infrastructure, broader issues with T-Mobile often mirror problems for WFM users. Stay tuned and follow along for the fix. Manual network selection forces your phone to connect specifically to T-Mobile, bypassing any automatic selection issues. Here's how to do it on Android. Go to Settings, Network and Internet, Mobile Network, Advanced Network Operators. From the list, choose T-Mobile or T-Mobile Manual. Your phone will attempt to connect, which might take a few minutes. On iOS, go to Settings, Cellular, Cellular Data Options, Cellular Network, Network Selection, and toggle off Automatic. From the list, choose T-Mobile or T-Mobile Manual. Still no luck? Try these additional troubleshooting tips. Restart your phone. This often resolves temporary glitches. Make sure your SIM card is properly inserted. Outdated software can cause network errors, so ensure your phone is updated to the latest version. You can also try contacting Walmart Family Mobile Support for a SIM replacement if needed, especially if your SIM card is old. This is free for eligible customers. Using manual network selection should resolve most issues. However, if problems persist, checking T-Mobile's outage map or contacting WFM support will provide more specific assistance.